Now I'm going to show you the copycat method. This method takes an individual URL and it extracts the ranking keywords. So I Googled under desk treadmill, I skipped Amazon, I skipped Forbes, and I went to this Runner's World URL. I copied it. I'm going to head into extract, and then I'm going to head into rankings. I'm going to paste this whole URL in here. I'm going to hit extract, and let's see what it comes up with. 699 keywords found. Now we can either download the whole report. We can only it can only give us the top 10 that it's ranking for, or it can give me the top 100. I want to see them all, so let's hit top 100. And what it does, it takes us to this import tab, like you brought in your own keywords. So at this point, I like to just take a quick look to see, make sure that everything's on point. So home office treadmill, under desk treadmill folding, 2022, Canada, best 2-in-1, best mat. Okay, these look all pretty on brand, on point here. So let me scroll all the way down. There's a lot. Okay, so what we can do now is we have some decisions to make. So we want to get the search volume. Yes. I don't want the desktop SERP. I just use the mobile. That's fine. Do I want to bring in my historical data? This is going to use my previous report and my sniper method, and it's going to if I already analyzed that keyword, it's going to keep it analyzed. So we'll keep this one here. Now, the decision you want to make is, do you want to extract the PAAs and the related queries as well, or do you want to stay directly within these words that they're ranking for? I like to keep these on just to get more keyword ideas, but it's totally up to you. So we have a total of, I don't know, I forgot what it was, how many keywords here, but let's just go ahead and go crazy and go ahead and analyze all of these keywords that this site is ranking for. So I'm going to hit import. It's going to analyze each of these words, and it's also going to find the people also ask and the related for each one of these words, but it's not going to analyze those yet. It's just going to analyze the imported keyword. So let's go ahead and do it. Hit OK. And I will, let's see, historical data and analyze all can't be switched on simultaneously to prevent redundant analysis of keyword. Okay, so I guess I do have to uncheck this. All right, we'll just go ahead and go for it again. Hit OK. So 699 keywords, it's analyzing, it's taking it out of my credits. I'll be right back. Okay, that took 3 or 4 minutes. We imported 699 keywords to be analyzed. And so it analyzed our 699 keywords and then brought back another 3,000 plus keywords. So now we took that one URL, analyzed the 699, and now we have the total 4,039 to look at. So what you can do to make it clear for yourself is we can just look at the analyzed, or we can look at the not analyzed here so far. So let's just flip on analyze and see what we have. As you can see, you can, like I said in the prior videos, you can go ahead and just start looking at these one by one here, if you wish. You can kind of get an idea what's ranking. So you can either take a look at this entire list and scroll through it by weak spots, or you can also, like we've showed before, we can look at the intent. Star Power under desk treadmill. We have 3 websites that have DA under 20, and we have a Quora forum, which is great. What about comparisons? Is there any comparisons here? There's some versus keywords as well. So now, like I said before, at this point, it's up to you how you want to do this. But what this did is it took this specific URL and it found all its terms it's ranking for, and it's telling you which ones are considered low fruits.